Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how much money you need to start an Amazon online arbitrage business, okay? Because obviously there are different tools and stuff that you need if you want to start with this business, okay? And I want to show you exactly what you definitely need and what is optional, okay? So let's get started. So the first thing before I start this video, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel because this motivates me to make further content for you guys, okay? If you appreciate my content, if you learn something from my content, please subscribe to the channel. Please leave comments if you have any questions below the video and give me a thumbs up, okay? That really helps me out. So let's get started with this video. So the first thing you will need, obviously, if you want to do Amazon online arbitrage, is an Amazon seller account. Okay, so let's get started. Let's type in sell on Amazon, and you can open an Amazon seller account right here. Okay, so as you can see, the profession. Let's go to the pricing. There's an individual plan and a professional plan. I would recommend that you go for the professional plan if you have the money, which is $39.99, okay, per month. If you don't have the money, you can start with an individual plan where you can sell up to 40 items a month and you don't have a monthly subscription fee. You just pay $1 or 99 cents per item that you sell, okay? And obviously the referral fees, which go up to 15% per of your retail price. Those are included whether you take the individual plan or the professional, so it doesn't really matter, okay? But yeah, if you don't have the funds obviously go for the individual plan, and then basically you don't have any cost at all. But in my calculation right now, I want to take into account the professional seller account, which would be $39.99. Okay, this is the first thing you will need. So if you watch some of my other videos, then you know that I use tools, okay, and you should definitely to analyze items before you buy them and ship them to Amazon. Okay, so let's go ahead and yeah, let me just show you an example of what I mean here. Okay, this is a very popular card game. As you can see here, over 33,000 5-star reviews, so excellent. And yeah, so I got this graph down here. Okay, this graph is done by a tool which is provided by Helium 10. Okay, Helium 10 is a website, a software company. They provide you with several tools for your Amazon journey, whether you're doing Amazon FBA or Amazon online arbitrage. They have great tools to help you out and yeah, analyze yeah, your products basically. And as you can see, I got this graph which shows me the price over a period of time. Right now, this is a period of 30 days, but we can choose to see the price for a 90-day period, which is very important because before we buy an item to resell it on Amazon, we want to make sure that the price is consistent, okay? That it doesn't fluctuate, and if it fluctuates, it should go up and not go down, okay? Because if it goes down, then yeah, you in the risk of basically not selling the item for the price that you want to sell it, which can cause you to make a loss, which obviously we don't want. So we have to analyze the item properly. So to what I do is I check if the price has been consistent, if the sales rank has been pretty consistent, okay, which it has for this item. And to check this, to see this graph, you need the Helium 10 Chrome extension. Okay, this is free. There's the jungle, and the next thing is you want to check the sales. Okay, the monthly sales, approximate sales that this item is having. Okay, per month. And there are two ways you can do that. You can use the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, which costs, I believe, starts at $97 one time. Okay, but I would recommend that you go for the Helium Chrome extension because it provides you with that graph and it provides you with the X-ray tool for free as well, which shows you the monthly sales volume for that product, okay? And it's I use both. Okay, as you can see, this product has over 25,000 sales, which is just crazy per month. Okay, this is just crazy. Okay, it makes $600,000 of revenue. If you want to compare it, let's check the Jungle Scout Chrome extension. Let me just quickly log in. Wait, let me put it here. Sorry, I have to keep my stuff private, obviously. So, um, so let's check the cards again with the Jungle Scout tool. As you saw, just to compare it, and as you can see, we can see the daily sales, but it's pretty far off compared to the Helium tool, which surprises me a lot, to be honest. Let me check this out because this is the first time that I'm experiencing this. Normally, it's very, very consistent and very close to each other. The data that you get from here and the data that you get from Jungle Scout. So this is very weird, to be honest. Let's check out another item just to make sure. But just yeah. So if we check out the sales for this product with Jungle Scout, we had 1,400 monthly sales. Let's check it out with the Helium Chrome extension. But it's good. Then you have a comparison, okay? This shouldn't be a comparison video between the two software, but still. And here you don't have the sales. So I prefer, to be honest, I prefer Jungle Scout because also I know that just so many people are using it. So yeah, they can't be that far off. Let me just check with the last product, okay? But again, for the graph, anyways, if you just want to have the graph, use the Helium 10 Chrome extension because anyways it's free. Okay, there's a free plan and this gives you the graph. Okay, so that's the only thing you need with Helium 10. And then I would recommend that you get the Jungle Scout Chrome extension because I think yeah, it's more accurate than the Helium 10 X-ray tool. Okay, so if you can afford it, get it. I think it's 97. Let me just check out the monthly sales here at 210. And with the X-ray tool, we are at, okay, now this is what I was looking for. Okay, here we have 194 sales. Okay, so pretty close to each other. It's your choice. I would recommend that you go for Jungle Scout. But anyways, let me put in the Helium 10 Chrome extension, which is free. There is a paid plan, but you don't need it to start out. Then I would recommend that you still get Jungle Scout if you can. Let me put optional in here, which is, let me check out the exact price. I think it was $97, and the Pro version was close to 200. Yes, so we want the Chrome extension plans, and as you can see, yeah, it's 97 and the Pro is 197. You only need the light version, to be honest. So yeah, $97 would be the price for that, but again, that's optional. You can use the Helium 10 tool. Okay, yeah, so what else do we need? Basically, to be honest, that's already it. Okay, if you just wanted to start with Amazon online arbitrage, that's basically it. You need a tool to, yeah, do the proper research, and yeah, then I made another video how you can do Amazon online arbitrage in different countries. So if you want to do Amazon, you're not living in the US, but you want to sell in the US, then you can use a prep center. So check out this video if you want to learn about the cost for a prep center, but it's not necessary. So if you have an Amazon marketplace in your country, then you don't need a prep center, okay? So you can start without that cost. The other things that you might need is software, okay? But this is also optional. There's software to find products on different stores, and they automatically compare those products to products on Amazon, and they already tell you, yeah, what your profit margin would be. So those are is another thing that you can use. So for example, you can use tactical arbitrage, which should be, they have different plans, but if you want to have the necessary plan, you can have a 1 week free trial, obviously, but here are the pricings. And yeah, for the monthly payment, for the product search, reverse search, let me just check that. You need this plan, okay? So this is the plan we need. So it would be an optional $89, okay? Then the other thing, and obviously there are a lot of software that you can use, so I could add up some dollars, but yeah, this is not the point of this video. You want to start for as low money as possible, so with the smallest budget that possible, okay? So the next thing that you can use optionally is a repricer, okay? A repricer, you can, so basically what you do with the repricer, because if you send products to Amazon, you probably will have other sellers that sell this product. If not, you are very lucky, and this is probably a very good product. Then if it still sells and you're the only seller, this is obviously the best way you should go about it, but this is not always possible. So you will be in direct competition with other sellers, and yeah, they probably use reprices too. Okay, sorry, the camera is gone right now, but anyways, they probably use reprices too. So it's very important that when they lower their price, you want to lower your price as well, and you can use reprices that do that automatically. Okay, Reprice Express is a cheap option, but inform.co is the better option, but it's much more expensive. So to start out, I wouldn't recommend that you go with inform.co. If you can, and if you're selling in those marketplaces, it's $69 a month, then it's pretty affordable. But if you want to sell in Europe, for example, then it starts out at $219 a month, which is really pricey. But you can use Reprice Express. The algorithm is not as good as the other one, but it starts out at 55, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that plan is already, it includes Europe, okay? Multiple marketplaces, it includes Europe. So I would recommend that you start out with this plan. So let's just put in, yeah, a little average of 60. Again, this is optional as well, because I would start out with manual research, then a repricer, optional as well. Let's put in starting at $60 basically, okay? So as you can see here, and then obviously another thing that you will need is some budget to start out to buy products, okay? So now the question is, are you buying products on normal other online stores, or are you using the coupon method? Okay, are you getting coupons? There are a lot of coupon websites where you can get really cheap items, okay, but you probably will only be able to get one piece of each item. But this is a great way to build some capital, okay, to get the items for really cheap from other Amazon sellers and resell them as your own. You can get items that make you $5 to $10 profit each, so you can quickly build up your capital to have some more margin later on, or a little bit of leverage to basically really grow your Amazon online arbitrage business. So, but still, I would recommend, if you really want to get some traction, a budget to purchase products of, let me say, at least on the low end, $100 to $1,000. Okay, this is what I would recommend if you want to start out. Okay, so let's just calculate the lowest possible option to start, which would be not even a professional account, so zero basically for the Amazon account if you want to start with the individual account, a free Helium 10 Chrome extension, $100, okay, for a budget to purchase products. Obviously, if you don't even have $100, you can start without the $100, and just do it product by product. But this is what I would recommend. And basically, as you can see, if we, because those other options are only optional, you could really start with as low of a budget as you have it. But the more budget you have, the faster you get some traction, obviously. But again, I wanted to show you the alternatives, and I wanted to show you, both ways basically, for how less money you can start and what I would recommend you start with. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Again, if you like those videos, if you want to have more of that content, and if you have specific content in mind that you would like me to do, then please leave those in the comments below this video. And again, I would really appreciate if you give me a thumbs up, okay, for my videos, and if you subscribe to my channel, okay, to motivate me to make more videos like that. Okay, so see you in the next video, and I hope this was helpful, guys. Bye.